give you my remote control. This is how the buttons work. SAT, TV, power, DVD, aux, left, down, Z, pairing system, and menus. I also got this directional pad. Trying to turn it on, but this thing has no battery. Not even this power. The volumes. This thing. Which in the comments below, why don't you just what is these colors thing? What does these color buttons even do? These are all the other buttons I got. See, search menu, recall, cancel info, view live TV, and all the other DVR buttons, especially this record button. Then we got play, and then the other button, and then this DVR button. Anyone in the comments below what say this, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, asterisk 0, and hashtag. And then we got these are the buttons: swap, PvP, dish, and on demand. Yeah, this is my dish controller. Anyone have any replacement batteries here? I'm ready to turn on down and watch my TV. See you guys.